Creating something beautiful for your home brings so much joy. It's personal. When you take the time to craft something with your own hands, it becomes more than just an object. It becomes a part of your home, a reflection of your creativity and effort. The satisfaction you get from completing a DIY project is unmatched. It's a wonderful feeling to see your vision come to life. You did it yourself. DIY projects are so rewarding. They allow you to express your individuality and create something unique. Plus, the skills you learn along the way are invaluable. Whether it's woodworking, painting, or crafting, each project teaches you something new. And the best part? You get to enjoy the fruits of your labor every day. Let's make a side table together. It's easy and fun. This project will not only add a functional piece to your home, but also give you a sense of accomplishment. We'll guide you through each step, from selecting the right materials to the final touches. Don't worry if you're new to DIY. This project is designed to be beginner-friendly. This project is perfect for beginners. You don't need any advanced skills or expensive tools, just a few basic supplies and a willingness to learn. We'll show you how to measure, cut, and assemble the pieces. And by the end, you'll have a beautiful side table that you can proudly say you made yourself. You can customize it to fit your style. Let's get started. Whether you prefer a rustic look or a modern finish, you can tailor the table to match your decor. We'll also share some tips on how to add personal touches, like painting or staining the wood, to make it truly one of a kind. Start by measuring and cutting your wood pieces. Precision is key here, so take your time to ensure everything fits perfectly. Use a saw to cut the wood according to your measurements. Remember, safety first. Always wear protective gear when working with tools. Sand the edges for a smooth finish and apply wood glue to join the pieces. Sanding not only smooths out rough edges, but also helps the paint or stain adhere better. Once you've sanded the pieces, apply wood glue to the joints and press them together. This will ensure a strong bond. Use clamps to hold the pieces together while the glue dries. Then paint or stain your table. Clamps are essential for keeping the pieces in place as the glue sets. After the glue has dried, you can move on to painting or staining the table. Choose a color or finish that complements your home decor. Add your final touches and enjoy your new side table. This is where you can get creative. Add decorative elements like knobs or stencils to make the table uniquely yours. Once you're done, step back and admire your handiwork. You've created something beautiful and functional with your own hands. Enjoy the satisfaction of a job well done. Before we begin, gather your materials. You'll need a few basic things. Don't worry, they're easy to find. For the tabletop, a piece of wood, like pine or oak, in your desired size and shape. You can use a pre-cut round, square, or rectangular piece. Sandpaper, medium and fine grit. For the legs, 3 or 4 table legs depending on your design. You can find these pre-made at most hardware stores. Screws. For assembly and finishing wood glue, a drill, a paintbrush, wood stain or paint optional, polyurethane or furniture wax, measuring tape, pencil, and a saw. Let's start with the tabletop. This is the heart of your side table. First, sand the wood thoroughly. Use medium grit sandpaper first to remove any rough spots. Then, smooth it out with fine grit sandpaper for a polished finish. You can choose different shapes. Round is charming, square is classic, rectangular is versatile. Pick what you love. For a smoother finish, consider using an orbital sander. Apply a wood conditioner to enhance the grain and prepare it for staining. Finally, stain the wood to your desired color. Let it dry completely before moving on. Section 4. Setting the stage. Attaching the legs. Now, let's add the legs. This will give your table its height and stability. Decide on the leg placement. For a 3-legged table, space them evenly around the center. For a 4-legged table, position them at the corners. Apply wood glue to the top of each leg. Then, screw them securely into the tabletop using your drill. Use a level to ensure your table is even. Adjust the leg height if needed with adjustable feet. Finally, tighten all screws to secure the legs firmly. Section 5. Sealing the deal. Finishing touches. It's time to protect and beautify your table. This is where it all comes together. First, choose your finish. Do you want a natural wood look? Use a clear polyurethane. Want some color? Go for paint or wood stain. Apply your chosen finish evenly with a paintbrush. Let it dry completely. For a smooth finish, sand lightly between coats. Now stand back and admire your work. Section 6. Style it your way. Your DIY side table is ready to shine. You've put in the effort, and now it's time to showcase your creation. Let's find the perfect spot for it. Consider the layout of your room and how the side table can complement your existing furniture. Place it next to your favorite armchair. This creates a cozy nook where you can relax and unwind. Top it with a lamp and a good book. This not only adds functionality but also enhances the ambiance of your space. Or use it to display flowers in your entryway. Get creative. Fresh flowers can make a welcoming statement for guests. You can add a pop of color with a patterned tablecloth. This is an easy way to change the look of your table without much effort. Or use a tray to corral remotes and coasters. This keeps your space organized and ensures that everything has its place. Add candles and photo frames for a personal touch. These items can make your space feel more like home and reflect your personality. Change the decor seasonally to keep it fresh. Whether it's spring flowers, summer seashells, autumn leaves, or winter ornaments, seasonal decor can keep your space feeling new and exciting. A small plant can bring life to your space. Plants not only add a touch of nature but also improve air quality and create a calming atmosphere. Use a decorative bowl to hold keys or trinkets. This is both practical and stylish, ensuring that your essentials are always within reach. Stack some of your favorite magazines or coffee table books. This not only provides reading material, but also adds to the decor. Imagine starting your day with a cup of coffee on your beautifully styled side table. It's the perfect way to enjoy a quiet morning. Add a small sculpture or piece of art. This can be a conversation starter and adds an artistic touch to your home. Use a basket for storage underneath. This is a great way to keep things tidy while adding a rustic charm to your decor. Place a stylish clock on your side table. It's both functional and adds a touch of elegance to your space. A decorative tray can be used to group items together, making your side table look organized and chic. End your day with a glass of wine on your side table. It's the perfect way to unwind and enjoy your beautifully styled space. Section 7. Embrace the transformation. This is where your hard work and dedication truly shine. You've embarked on a journey to create something unique and personal, and now it's time to celebrate the fruits of your labor. You did it! You created a stunning side table with your own two hands. This isn't just a piece of furniture. It's a testament to your creativity and perseverance. Every cut, every nail, every brushstroke tells a story of your commitment and passion. And the best part? It didn't break the bank. By carefully selecting budget-friendly materials and being resourceful, you've managed to create something beautiful without overspending. This project is proof that style and elegance don't have to come with a hefty price tag. This project proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to have a stylish home. The transformation of your space is a clear indication that with a bit of creativity and effort, any room can be turned into a haven of style and comfort. With a little creativity and effort, you can transform any space. Your home is a canvas, and you are the artist. Each project you undertake adds a personal touch, making your living space truly unique and reflective of your personality. Now go ahead and enjoy your beautiful new side table. Place it in your living room, bedroom, or any space that needs a touch of charm. Admire the craftsmanship and the effort that went into creating it. Remember to maintain your side table by regularly dusting and polishing it. Proper care will ensure that it remains a beautiful and functional part of your home for years to come. Treat it with the same love and attention that you put into making it. And why stop here? Consider your next DIY project to keep the creativity flowing. There are countless ideas and inspirations out there waiting for you to explore. Each new project is an opportunity to learn, grow, and add more beauty to your home. There are endless possibilities to enhance your home decor. From small crafts to larger furniture pieces, the world of DIY is vast and full of potential. Dive into books, browse online, and let your imagination run wild. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and the beauty of your transformed space. Take a moment to relax and appreciate the hard work you've put in. Your home is now a reflection of your creativity and dedication. Embrace the transformation and let it inspire you to continue creating and innovating. Let's explore more DIY projects you can try at home. How about a matching coffee table? Imagine the satisfaction of having a cohesive set that you built yourself, or perhaps a set of coasters to go with your new side table. These small projects can add a personalized touch to your living space. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination and creativity. So, roll up your sleeves and dive into your next DIY adventure. Get creative and have fun with your projects. Your home is your canvas, and you are the artist.